Matt, please don't take it lightly when I say that I love you. I know that one day it might seem like routine, but trust me when I say that the happiness in my heart and when I say those words to you is an indication that loving you will never be something I take lightly.
Wash over me, leave me far from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing memory, if only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance.
I love you. I love every part of you. I love the freckles on your nose and the ginger hair on your chin.
And talk to me, fill my lungs with the air your heart is breathing.
I love your kind and gentle ways, the way your hand falls on my cheek. I love the way you kiss me and whisper, "It will be okay." I promise to give you the best of me. I promise to love your family like I love my own. I promise to help you love life, to always hold you with tenderness, and to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to share the silence when they're not, to live within the warmth of your heart and always call it home. I promise to love you endlessly for as long as we both shall live.
I see you're on to me, and there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further then the storms appear, and lines all fade in time. Oh,
Chrissy, you are my very best friend. You are the most beautiful, smart, and caring woman I know. I am completely, head over heels in love with you. There is no one I would rather live my life with than you. I promise to always respect you as a person, as my partner, and as my equal. You inspire me to be the best person I can be, and in doing so, I will share in your dreams and support you endlessly. I will stand beside you in good times and hold you with tenderness to get through the hard times. Together we can overcome any challenge we're faced with, so we have grown into an amazing team, and I will continue to grow with you every day. And lastly, I promise that I'll always kiss you goodnight, because honey, I love your love the most.
Jamie, Kristen's best friend. Throughout the years, she's come to mean everything to me. I love you both so much. Now if everyone would join me in a toast. Congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you two nothing but a lifetime of love and happiness.
Hello, I am Matt's brother, and I'm here to do what I do best, disappoint my family.
Hit me as hard as a cannonball. Every time I get up, I'd fall. Had to put back together, but it fell apart. But you can't fix my broken heart, and you got me high.
No, but really, Matt, you're the best brother I could ever have. You're amazing. Your heart's so big. I'm so happy for both of you. I love you both so much. I think I'm supposed to raise a glass. Cheers to them. Now let's get drunk.
Your love is like music to my ears. wanna turn, I wanna hear. Your love is like music to my ears. Take my troubles, make them disappear.
This is a man of great integrity. The first and one of the most important things that stand out to me is his loyalty. Loyalty is literally seared into the foundation of his soul. I could not have asked for the universe for, a better woman, a better bride to meet my best friend. A final toast, everyone. A final toast to the grand adventure these two amazing people are embarking on. May they live long and prosper.
Marriage is about the good times and the bad times, and always coming through, never feeling like it's hopeless, even when things are completely out of control and you feel like this can never work. Somehow you reach down deep inside and you realize, yeah, it's there. It is there. I have to tell you, since they met, I've seen it there. And I think you'll see it tonight. There's a connection there. There's a spark.
Music to my ears.